Hello everybody, welcome back to freetradingvideos.com. This is Matador. It's still the 7th of May. And how's that for a gap up in resistance and the effects thereof? So we talked about that this morning. I wanted to watch how the markets reacted to this gap fill. We did have a perfect one, a little bit of a bounce, and then a lower swing high, and we are now back to the next logical place of support on this chart. If you look at a 15 minutes, a little bit easier to see. Good resistance. Resistance was broken, then becomes support, and we're testing this area right now, and the 50 MA on the 15-minute chart. The 60-minute chart is also at a nice significant level of support, which we have drawn in here as well, and the 20 MA area. So good stuff. Again, what's most important is after a multi-bar run-up into overhead resistance like this, with the declining 200 MA, all the things we talked about this morning, and I wanted to watch the tick and the trend and how it is responding to this sell-off, and the trend is actually remaining for a good part of the day below 1.0. It's just one little blip up here. And the trend Q, however, is corroborating the sell-off. So there's a divergence now between the trend and the trend Q. The VIX, as often can be the tiebreaker, is rising nicely, and that shows some very, very nice bearish action, but not a lot of volume flowing into it, at least to my eye. On the trend Q side, some good volume flowing into it. So we'll see who wins this little battle here, but things are holding up beautifully. Getting a little bit of a bearish engulfing candle here now on the broad market daily chart, if it closed the way it is right now. And again, that really sort of portends nothing more than the stock market needing a chance to rest. So a good little sell-off here or another consolidation would be great as we chew our way through the 200 MA as we work higher. If we get a much lower swing high, again, this whole thing then would become a big head and shoulders pattern, and I would have to maybe change my sentiment read of the market here. So again, from this nice high base to a good run up to the next logical place of resistance, and that's the way it goes. Beautiful. So I like the way it's acting. I like everything about it. This is not unexpected, and we'll see what happens the rest of the day. Stay tuned for D7's video. It's going to be a good one, I'm sure. And again, thanks for all your comments. Really appreciate them, and I'll be talking to you soon. Thanks.